How to enable data saver mode on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable data saver mode on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on connection and sharing. And now from this section, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on data uses. And now generally on other Android device, here in this section, you will see the option labeled as data saver mode. So there, if you see that option, then you can simply toggle on the switch to enable it. But as of right now, in this Android that I'm currently using, there is no data saver mode. So here in this case, what you can do is simply go through the apps that you use the most. Like let's say you use the Netflix app, or let's say you use the Roblox app most of your time. Now here, once you are in this section, then what you can do is simply toggle off the background data option, and here you can simply enable one of this option. Let's say if you're using Roblox with your Wi-Fi connection, then you can simply toggle off the mobile data. And here once you do that, then it will kind of enable the data saver mode for that particular app. And that's it. That's how you can enable data saver mode on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.